Time is money. Every second wasted in trading can greatly affect the results you'll get. Hello everyone, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading FX channel. In the world of trading, speed and accuracy are the keys to success. If you want to make faster and more accurate trading decisions, then you need to have a solid strategy. One of the most popular and highly effective trading strategies is the pullback trading strategy. In this video, I'll show you how to use a pullback strategy that is both highly effective and efficient. In this example, I will show you how to use this pullback trading strategy on Bitcoin USDT. Besides being used for crypto trading, you can also apply this pullback trading strategy to other assets like gold or XAU USD, forex, stocks, and various other assets. We won't make this video too long, so make sure to watch it until the end. And don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Let's get started. If you want to use this pullback trading strategy, you can go to TradingView. Then, go to the Search Indicators tab. In the Search Indicators tab, type LNL Pullback Arrows. Next, simply select the LNL Pullback Arrows indicator from LNL Capital. After that, configure the Pullback Arrows indicator. In the Input tab, change the number on the EMA cloud fast to 35. Then, also change the number on the EMA cloud slow to 65. Next, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove all the markers and leave only the EMA cloud. Once you've done that, just click OK to save the changes. This pullback arrows indicator will be used as a trend guide and to spot pullbacks in the market. If the EMA cloud is green, it indicates a bullish trend. In this case, your main focus is to find the best pullback point before placing a buy entry. On the other hand, if the EMA cloud is red, it signals a bearish trend. In this case, your main focus is to find the best pullback point before placing a sell entry. To find potential pullback areas, you can wait for the price candlestick to test the pullback arrows area first. Make sure that the trend doesn't change during the pullback. Now, let's add the second indicator, which will serve as a guide for placing entries in the market. Go to the Search Indicators tab, then type Stochastic. Next, select the default Stochastic Indicator from TradingView. After that, configure the Stochastic Indicator. In the Input tab, change the %K length to 24. Set the %K smoothing to 3. Then change the %D smoothing to 3 as well. Once done, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove some markers that we don't need. Remove the markers for the middle band and background. After that, set the upper band level to 95 and the lower band level to 5. Once that's done, click OK to confirm the changes. This stochastic indicator will be used as a guide for placing entries in the market. Before you can use it, add 2 horizontal lines to the stochastic indicator. Insert the first horizontal line and set the level to 25. Then, insert the second horizontal line and set the level to 75. After that, set the color of both horizontal lines according to your preference. Now, your indicator is ready to use. The area between levels 6 and 24 will be used as the buy zone. To place a buy entry, wait for the stochastic line to enter the buy zone first. If the stochastic signal line has entered the buy zone, wait until the signal line crosses above level 25 before placing a buy entry. However, if during this process the signal line goes below level 5, then cancel the buy setup. The area between level 76 and 95 will be used as the sell zone. To place a sell entry, wait for the stochastic line to enter the sell zone first. If the stochastic signal line has entered the sell zone, wait until the signal line crosses below level 75 before placing a sell entry. However, if during this process the signal line goes above level 95, then cancel the sell setup. Now, let's discuss how to place buy and sell entries using this pullback trading strategy. How to place a sell entry. If the pullback arrows indicator is red, it signals a bearish trend. In this situation, focus solely on finding the best point to place a sell entry. Wait for the price candlestick to retest the pullback arrows area. Wait until the stochastic signal line enters the sell zone. Then, wait for the stochastic signal line to exit the sell zone. Ensure that the candlestick formed is a bearish candlestick. If all the conditions are met, you can place a sell entry after the bearish candlestick has closed. Place the stop loss at the most recent swing high. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a buy entry. If the pullback arrows indicator is green, it signals a bullish trend. In this situation, focus solely on finding the best point to place a buy entry. Wait for the price candlestick to retest the pullback arrows area. Wait until the stochastic signal line enters the buy zone. Then, wait for the stochastic signal line to exit the buy zone. Ensure that the candlestick formed is a bullish candlestick. If all the conditions are met, you can place a buy entry after the bullish candlestick has closed. Place the stop loss at the most recent swing low. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain good money management and trading psychology, as there is no trading strategy that is 100% perfect. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. That's it for today's discussion, and see you in the next video.